The authority is co-chair of the Secretariat of the International Coral Reef Initiative with the governments of Monaco and Indonesia till mid-2020. The initiative has more than 60 members and is an informal partnership of nations and organisations which strives to preserve coral reefs and related ecosystems.
Today we're hosting a workshop as part of our role in the Secretariat for the ICRI, which is the International Coral Reef Initiative, and we've brought people from a whole range of countries around the world that have World Heritage properties and coral reef environments, and we're today sharing at the workshop, having a knowledge exchange, sharing information, and the workshop is all about presenting for protection, and it's about trying to elicit behaviour change in visitors to World Heritage areas. So we're hoping that today we'll learn a lot from each other, take some things away that we can apply in our own countries and in their countries, and continue the partnership.
You cannot go anywhere you like in the island. There are specific places to visit.
I'm from the Galapagos Island. This is Ecuador in South America. I'm presenting as key speaker to share what we do in our countries to protect our areas, how we management in tourism, fisheries, how is the guiding system, carrying capacity, and other tools what we use to protect our areas.
And the guides are like rangers. They're going to check all the time that everyone is behaving, is following the rules, and sharing the knowledge.
Some of us have had tourists for a long time coming to locations, and others are just starting their sort of tourism market. So being able to share knowledge and what's worked and what hasn't for some of us is a really good opportunity.
Sustainable nature-based tourism is very important and essential for the conservation and long-term sustainability of the coastal marine resources.
It gives you guidelines on very specific to certain islands as well, like what it should be, if it should be for residential, commercial, and it shows you how much vegetation you should keep.
My philosophy would probably go around interpretation, monitoring, which allows you to do reef health management stuff, and of course research is a vital component of that as well. And interrelating all those together.
We have to learn from each other. Internationally, we all face similar problems. The reef, the Great Barrier Reef, may be the crown and the jewel of all reefs in the world, but we have to all collaborate and learn from each other.
It's important we manage tourism sustainably to ensure coral reefs across the world are protected for this generation and generations to come.